Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you in a very simple way how you can post a photo on Facebook using your mobile app. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have downloaded the Facebook app from the Play Store or App Store. Once it is installed, open the app and log in with your account. On the home page, you will see a box that says What's on your mind. Tap on it and then select the option called Photo. Now your phone gallery will open. Choose the photo you want to share. You can pick just one or select multiple photos at the same time. After selecting, you can write short caption, add emojis or tag your friends if you want. You can also add the features, how are you feeling, and you can also add the music which you want or which your post is suitable for. Once everything looks good, tap on post. And that's it. Your photo is now live on Facebook. Very easy, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more simple tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.